So hey guys, in this video we shall talk about how you can easily remove the background of any images in just 1 second. Yes, it doesn't matter our image is raw or anything else. And we don't need an application or software, even we don't need a PC. So these all are the process we can do this with our smartphone too. And we just need an internet connection, and by the help of a website we can easily do this all process. So first of all we need to open Chrome browser, and guys make sure that you have installed Chrome browser, because if you need a better experience and better reliability, so do this all process in the Chrome browser. I don't know why this site don't work properly on other browser, but anyway we just use Chrome browser. After opening that type here remove bg and click enter, and the first site remove.bg, click here and go to this site and just click on upload, and here you should to upload the images by which you want to remove the background. So just I'm selecting this one. So yes, you can see that, look how perfectly the background has been removed, and within a second. Let me show you the difference between that image after and before. You can see that, awesome, nothing has been uh, mistaken here. So if you want to remove any background of your images, you can do this by the help of this method. So I hope you like this video. So I will see you in the next video.